In this video, I will show how you can use your phone as a webcam. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Click the link in the description, go to the website and download the application on your PC. Do the same in your mobile phone Play Store. Search for the same application and download the application and install it. Once you install the application both in your phone and your PC, you need to connect your phone to the PC via USB cable. Once you have connected, you need to enable the USB debugging option. To do that, go to your phone settings and search for the model version. Click on it multiple times until you see the notification that you are a developer. Now go back and search for developer options. In developer options menu, scroll down until you find USB debugging. Click on it to enable. Now you should be able to see what your phone is capturing on your PC. If not, please disconnect the cable and repeat the process. Now that you have connected your phone, let's see how you can record your webcam along with your PC screen. If you are using Wondershare Filmora, click on record and record PC screen. In settings, check this box to select the webcam. You can resize this and drag to wherever you want. And click on this red button to start recording. If you are using OBS Studio along with your display capture device, click the plus button to add video capture device. Select the device and modify the settings if required and click OK. Again, here also you can resize this and drag to wherever you want. Once done, click on start recording to record the PC screen. If you think you learned something from this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this.